Welcome to Show Me the Yummies, Show Me the Basics.
And today we're making a homemade pizza dough.
The first step in making our pizza dough is going to be proofing our yeast. Now we're going to do that in 1.5 cups of water. Look at your package for the temperature that the water should be. Ours said between 105 and 110 degrees, and you can just use a regular household thermometer to check the temperature.
We're also going to add in 1/2 teaspoon of brown sugar.
Now that's going to give the yeast something to munch on, which is going to release carbon dioxide and cause bubbling on the surface of the water.
Now that process takes about 10 minutes, so I'm going to give this mixture a quick stir and then let it rest.
All right, it's been 10 minutes and we've got some nice foaming and bubbling on the top of the water, which is proof that our yeast is active.
Now I'm going to add in 2 tablespoons of olive oil and a teaspoon of salt. I'm going to pour this mixture into 4 cups of all-purpose flour.
Now, if for any reason your water wasn't bubbly and foaming, then that means that your yeast wasn't active. That could be because of a temperature issue, or your yeast may not be good. Start over because you can't make the dough without active yeast. The dough won't rise.
Now that our dough has started to combine, we're going to dump it out onto a well-floured surface. And I'm going to dump my dough out. And now we're just going to knead the dough until it's no longer sticky.
Now, depending on a lot of factors, including humidity, you may need to add more flour. Just do it a tablespoon at a time until it's no longer sticky.
Now that our dough is smooth and no longer sticky, we're going to grease a bowl. Place the dough in the bowl and let it rise covered for about an hour.
Okay, so it's been an hour and now our dough has risen nicely.
Now, typically Trevor and I make this into about 2 large pizzas that we roll out to about 1/4 to 1/2 inch thick.
And that's it. Now we've shown you the basics for making your own pizza dough. Be sure to check below for recipes that use this dough as we make them.